Have you ever woken up feeling like your body is betraying you? That stiffness in your back, the tightness in your legs, or just feeling slower than you used to? Well, here's the truth. This isn't just aging. It's your body begging for movement. Today, I'll show you 5 of the most scientifically proven anti-aging stretches that can restore flexibility, ease movement, and reduce pain and muscle tension. These simple yet powerful movements will take just 15 minutes a day and can add years of vitality to your life. So stick around till the end, because I'll also guide you on how to structure them into an easy, effective daily routine. And if you know someone who could use this, share this video with them now. The first stretch on our list is the cat-cow stretch. If you struggle with back pain due to poor posture or tension, this is a game changer. Inspired by yoga, this movement increases blood circulation in the spine, reduces inflammation, and enhances flexibility. A study published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that spinal mobility exercises like this significantly improve flexibility and reduce stiffness in adults over 50. The rhythmic motion helps realign your posture, preventing long-term spinal issues. Here's how to do it. Start on all fours with your hands aligned with your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale deeply, arching your back and lifting your chest into the cow position. Then, exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin into your chest for the cat position. Repeat this movement for 5 to 8 slow, controlled repetitions. This stretch can be done in the morning to wake up your spine, as a warm-up before a workout, or at night to release tension. As we age, hip mobility decreases, especially if we spend hours sitting. This can lead to poor posture, lower back strain, and even knee pain. The butterfly stretch is one of the best ways to counteract this. To do it, sit on the floor with your back straight and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold them with your hands and let your knees gently drop toward the floor. Breathe deeply and hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. This stretch improves hip mobility, enhances circulation, and speeds up muscle recovery. It's also great for preventing injuries and relieving groin tightness, which is common in those who run, cycle, or lift weights. Over time, our spines become less flexible, leading to stiffness and discomfort. The supine spinal twist is a simple yet highly effective stretch to improve spinal mobility and correct postural misalignments. A study published in the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies found that twisting stretches like this one significantly reduce lower back pain in older adults, improving their ability to perform daily activities pain-free. To perform this stretch, lie on your back with your arms extended in a T position. Bring one knee toward your chest and gently guide it across your body with your opposite hand, keeping both shoulders on the floor. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds before switching sides. This movement releases spinal tension, improves posture, and stimulates blood circulation, essential for keeping your back strong and pain-free as you age. Our calves play a huge role in balance and movement, yet they often get neglected. Tight calves can lead to poor posture, foot pain, and even increased risk of injury. Research from the American Journal of Sports Medicine shows that regular calf stretching improves ankle mobility, reducing the risk of conditions like plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendinitis. To do this stretch, stand facing a wall with one foot forward and slightly bent, while your back leg remains straight with the heel planted on the ground. Lean forward slightly, pressing your hands into the wall. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch prevents cramps, improves circulation, and enhances overall stability, crucial for maintaining mobility as we age. Last, but certainly not least, is the child's pose, an amazing full-body stretch that relieves tension in the back, hips, and shoulders while also promoting relaxation. Studies published in the Journal of Bodywork and Movement Therapies show that gentle spinal stretches like the child's pose reduce chronic back pain and improve overall flexibility. Plus, deep breathing in this position helps reduce stress and enhances blood circulation. To do it, kneel on the floor, sit back onto your heels, and stretch your arms forward, letting your forehead rest on the ground. Relax completely and hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, breathing deeply. Stretching is an investment in your health. Whether you do it after a workout, in the morning, or before bed, the key is consistency. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds and finish with a relaxing pose like child's pose to feel refreshed. Remember, small daily habits lead to big transformations in how you move and feel. So start today. Leave a comment below and let me know which of these stretches you're adding to your routine. See you in the next video.